Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Lily. She had just graduated from college with a degree in writing and was eager to make money doing what she loved. That's when she discovered Upwork, one of the most popular freelance platforms out there. At first, Lily was intimidated by the idea of competing with other writers for jobs. But she quickly realized that there were plenty of clients in need of someone with her skills. She started bidding on small writing projects, submitting writing samples, and pitching herself to potential clients. At first, the going was slow. But Lily learned that persistence paid off. Soon enough, she landed her first client. And then another. And another. Before she knew it, she not only had a steady stream of work but was also making good money doing what she loved. Lily discovered that one of the keys to success on Upwork is to have a strong profile that showcases your skills and experience. She also learned that it's important to be professional in all interactions with clients, whether it's through email or video chats. Lily didn't limit herself to just writing projects, however. She also found success in data entry, social media management, and virtual administrative tasks. She leveraged her writing skills to market herself as a versatile assistant who could help with a variety of tasks. Over time, Lily built up a portfolio of successful projects and glowing reviews from her clients. This helped her to land bigger and better paying contracts. She also became more confident in her abilities and learned to negotiate for better rates. In the end, Lily's dedication and hard work paid off. She not only was able to make a living doing what she loved, but she also gained valuable experience and built up a network of clients who praised her work. If Lily can do it, so can you. With some persistence, professionalism, and a willingness to learn, anyone can find success on freelance platforms like Upwork. So why not give it a try? You never know where it might lead you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.